Hi guys, it's Haley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing you some stuff I got for Christmas and a pair of shoes. So this is the Daryl Dixon doll. I will post a picture of him without being in the box in the description box down below. He was on The Talking Dead a few days ago. You guys could probably watch that on the TV. This is the bottom. You could follow their Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And this is the back if you want to stop it and read it. Okay. So next is these pair of Rochets. I recently borrowed them from one of my friends to wear to school to match her when she's wearing her Yeezys. These have the nice hard back, the big bottom that gives you the heelage, and the laces are just so nice. And I love the design. They have the Nike sign. These are the real ones. They're like $75. That's cheap for them. But let's get on to the package I got from one of my friends who lives in Times Square. And it came in a box, which is downstairs, and it was pretty big, but it had some packing peanuts in it. That's why. So this is the bag. It has Toys R Us, Times Square, New York on it. And they live in Times Square, I believe. I'm not sure. Ouch. Okay. Sorry, Sabrina's being a baby back there. She's playing with a broom. So, I could always use an open some stuff. What in the world? But you guys can already see a squishy. I'm so excited. Alright, so it has some handles. It's pretty big. You guys, some cookies. These are my stress balls. Alright. Well, this is the note. It says note on it. The reason I took the box off was because it had my address on it. And I'll link her Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube down below. So, this is the note. It says, my change is $5. Thank you for trading and buying from me, and enjoy your extras and your fan mail. I don't mind fan mail, and I do not mind extras. If they have defects, that's okay, and if they're not squishies, that's okay. But I did trade from her. I traded from her like 2 items, and then I bought a few items from her. So, thanks for the note. I love the pink marker. So let's just get into that package. And it went in that bag and a Ziploc bag. I did order some deco stuff. Okay, so this first bag we have on top kind of looks like some extras and some of my stuff I ordered. But I think this one in here is mostly extras. So, let's go through that. So, the first thing I ordered was this panda journal. It's not in its original packaging. It is,
Haley, I sweep the stairs. Mommy said I could.
It's still my job, so.
No,
thanks.
I can take that.
No, you don't.
Mommy said.
No. So,
I wasn't playing with me.
that's that. Well, I'm telling Daddy because that's my job and he's paying me for that. So, thank you. So, then I got this extra. These are fruit snacks. Mixed berry.
Those are mine.
No, they're not. You have other ones. So, then I have some...
You're going with me.
No, I'm not. I'm not going to my little baby friend's house. So,
Your house is really big.
I don't care. I have some deco things. I have,
Rosa Cascarano. I'm going to her house later. Too.
this is green rope
I'm just kidding.
string.
Can I have my
Blue.
toolbox back?
No, I'm not done with it. Purple. Can you stop talking to me? And red.
If you go with me.
I already have white. I'm not going to your friend's house.
And I'm never, ever going to your friend's house.
I don't care. None of my friends like you at their house.
Oh, really?
Really? You can ask
Yeah,
Michaela.
Yoni does.
No. You never even been to her house.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, that's because I went. You had to come.
I didn't have.
But you were annoying. So then I
Because
have
they about.
these green, red, and blue beads, which I only ordered the blue ones.
Sakura.
And she gave me these extra ones, these extra deco beads.
Cool. Haley, this is on my bed. Dad, be kind and treat.
Give me, that's mine.
It was on my bed.
Yeah, you took it out of my pot.
No, it was on my bed.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
So then I have these bells, and here, we're gonna feel one of these.
What?
It's a really fuzzy ball. And I have,
It was in a squishy.
no, white and blue ones for my deco stuff. These are what they look like. Here, you can feel those and have them. Now just leave me alone.
Ew, it's squishy like a squishy.
Picked it up. Then I have
Ew.
this, I don't know what it's called. But it's like rope, I guess, and it has this stuff on it.
Ew.
But this is where it's from. And then I ordered these 2 nail polishes. I have these already, but I'm running out. So then I have this purple one, which is brand new. Those 2 are used. Only the pink one is. This one is China Glaze, and it's a purple.
This is what it says.
It's really pretty. Jacob.
Leo Messi. Leo
Oh.
Messi.
Then the last thing in this package, there's a lot in that for a small bag like this.
Haley.
I don't know,
Haley, Jacob said
17 maybe.
you
something
have
like
to be at least 5 to 3 to date me. So
5'3", the height. Next we have this big package. And I have this big mystery egg inside. So, let's get opening.
What the heck is that?
It's a pack. What? Oh. You could just say that out loud. Alright, so. This. Okay. These are an extra. She gave me these little plastic forks. She told me these were like worth a lot of money. So she sold me these for like, she didn't sell them to me, but we kind of like traded. I don't know what the fan mail is. I didn't know. This might be it. But they're so cute. I'll take one out to show you. There is 24 in here. And you can use them to like, it's so cute. And they're so little. You can use them to play with your
I just got off.
cousins.
Oops.
So next, this is my wallet I ordered. This is purple on the inside. And it has 2 zippers, and it's so cute. Next, oh my, let me put this back together.
Oh wait, the girls just got off.
So this is my change, my $5 bill. Then I got this Spider-Man. This is so fan
You
mail.
got $5 from the lady?
Yes.
From the girl?
Yeah. It's my extra change.
You're lucky.
Shh, can you move it while you're really loud? This is fan mail. I know that is because I didn't order it. And it's not an extra because she wouldn't send me that as an extra. She only sends me, I think this was the only extra. I see an extra actually. Then I got these 2 Loci bracelets. I got this one, the sparkles, and this one is camo, and I did order these. This is the Lokai side. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Can I have more?
Then she gave me some candy. This is a Olaf orange lollipop. Then she gave me 2 blue taffies, which kind of smells like candy. Then I got my squishies. Squish, 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 squish. So one of these is an extra. I think I ordered the white one. But this is a squishy. It's so slow rising. Look. I don't mind spending every day. Actually, it's not slow rising.
Around the corner in the pouring rain, looking for the girl with the broken smile.
And I told her how to make these because I didn't have the stuff to make it. I'll link the stuff down below, maybe. It's like a stretchy play toy. But then she gave me an extra purple one. This one has a lot of air in it. And look, they have little babies. So sorry for the weird face. I get excited sometimes. So this is really squishier. There's a hard piece in here. Can you turn it down? I'm trying to speak. Then I got this mystery egg. These are not extras. I actually traded these to her, and she told me she didn't want them. She unpackaged them and everything. One of them was used. One of them I told her. One of them I gave to her that I did not use yet. I actually have the other one to it. It's like the one for best friends. But this is the London Tea Time shortbread, and this is my favorite. It's full. And I just love this smell. Knock on my door. Then I got this chick. This I already have. You guys saw in one of my other videos, I believe. This smells like bananas.
Doesn't matter anymore. It's not always rainbows and butterflies. It's compromise and blues. That's the love. Yeah. And it's when the door's always open.
So I'm gonna keep these
You
over here.
I don't mind standing every day. And on the corner in the pouring rain, look for the girl with the broken smile. Ask her if she wanna stay a while, and she will be loved, and she will be
Whatever. Where's my red? Whatever. But I'll put my fan mail and stuff. Thanks for the treats. So, thanks for that. Hope you liked it. But I hope you guys liked this video. My favorite things in this were the 2 squishies. This and the 2 bracelets. And obviously the London stuff. And this one. I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll link the descriptions down below where you can buy from this girl. You can always buy from Silly Squishies, Kawaii Land or something. And you guys should go check out Millie and Chloe, I believe. I've been watching them for a while. And if you guys want to see some wash products, I will do a sample of them. And just comment down below. Bye!